Alright, so I am Ayush Kumar, co-founder and chief architect of Reputation DAO, a decentralized infrastructure for tamper-proof, soul-bound reputation. My role is driving the tech, from factory-spawned DAOs to transparent audit trails. In this video I will go in detail architectural design and scalability of Reputation DAO. Concept is simple: user contributes, community reward them, and the system mints on-chain reputation points that are transparent and usable for rewards. Here is a look at system admins pay ICP, BTC, ETH to create DAO accounts. The factory converts it to cycles, assigns or reuses back-end canisters from a pool, and recycles them when unused. Every org is registered by factory in the treasury, which manages vault sub-accounts and routes micropayments scheduled to contributors. This architecture currently supports ICP, Bitcoin and Ethereum payments. Now I will demonstrate this using ICP. Alright, as you can see, we have implemented sign-in with Bitcoin and sign-in with Ethereum canisters so as to make it a native experience for cross-chain users who may not be as much familiar with ICP ecosystem. When the user signs in, they get a unique principal and land on the org selector screen, where they can join an existing org or create their own. For each org, Factoria spins up a dedicated Reputation DAO backend canister from the WASM at payment time and registers it with both the factory and treasury canisters so data and payouts stay consistent and recoverable. On this economic settings page, the org admin configures their economy. You can see live vault balances in ICP, BTC and ETH, toggle payout rails, set minimum thresholds, micro tip amounts and scheduled payouts, add like KYC, tag rules, record new deposits coming from the ledger, and finally withdraw vault funds when everything is turned off. Here it auto-detects deposited amount of assets and allows user to record the amount to be used in system for payments to contributors. Here I'm demoing a simple award reputation action. This reputation is fully soul-bound and lives in its own system, while the payment layer runs as a separate layer 2 on top of it. If you want a deeper dive into how the core reputation engine works, check the earlier videos linked in the description. Now I will log in as using my Ethereum wallet, which is the recipient's principal here, and demonstrate the withdrawal of the microtransaction. As you can see, the micropayment has landed in the vault. From here, the user can withdraw it to any DeFi wallet they like. And yes, this can be fully automated. This UI is just for the demo. The real power lives in the RepDAO CLI SDK, linked below. In these 3 minutes I've only scratched the surface, so I'd highly recommend checking out the repos and the flowcharts in the description to understand how this reputation protocol can become a trust layer for the entire internet.